Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're walking through exactly how to use Gusto Payroll in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner or just getting started with your team management, I'll show you how to step by step how to run a payroll like a pro. Let's jump straight into it. First, head over to gusto.com and create your account. Once you sign in, Gusto will guide you through the initial setup. You'll need to enter your business info, federal and state tax details, and bank account for the direct deposits. Make sure to have your EIN or Employer Identification Number ready. It's required to get started. Next, it's time to add your employees or contractors. Enter their full names, email address, job titles, and pay details, either hourly or salary. Gusto will also send them a secure invite so they can enter their own tax and payment info. Once that's done, go to the Payroll tab and choose Run Payroll. Select your pay period, confirm hours worked, bonuses, or reimbursed if needed, and review the total payroll cost. Gusto will automatically calculate all the taxes, deduction, and net pay. Click Submit Payroll, and you're done. Gusto will handle direct deposits to your team, file your federal and state payroll taxes, and generate pay stubs for each employee. You can also set payroll to run automatically, perfect for salary teams. Plus, under Reports, you'll find breakdowns of your payroll history, tax fillings, and year-end summaries, all exportable in a click. At year-end, Gusto auto-generates W-2s and 1099s, sends them to your employers or contractors, and even files with the IRS. No extra fees, no hassle. And don't forget, you can also manage benefits, time tracking, and onboarding, all from the same dashboard. So, whether you're running a payroll weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, Gusto keeps it clean, accurate, and automated. If this guide helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, drop your comments in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Catch you in the next one.